I'm about to tell you guys the hardest part about affiliate marketing. Most of you probably think that starting your business, getting sales, that type of stuff is probably going to be the hardest part. You couldn't be more wrong. I've been affiliate marketing for 2 months and I've already made thousands of dollars from my affiliate marketing business. So take this from somebody who's actually making money online. The hardest part is getting started. Most people will wait months, even years to start their affiliate marketing business. And for that simple reason, they never give themselves the chance to make sales, to make that money online. If you learn the right way and set your business up to work for you, the sales will come. I think I made 25 sales or more in my first 2 weeks of affiliate marketing. But if I could go back and change one thing, I would have started way sooner than I did. Because now I realize the possibilities are endless. I'll show you guys exactly how I got started affiliate marketing, so click.
Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you have been following my channel videos, you know I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online, and presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank. And this is my own personal account. In my previous videos, I'll be displaying my students' account. So this is my own personal account, and in 22, if you follow my video and you recognize my own account, you should know this is my account. So again, one of the things you need to be a successful affiliate marketer is your traffic system, where you get your traffic from and the customers, how you can maintain a steady customer service on your affiliate marketing platform. And we both know that, or if you don't know, we have two source for your traffic system, or you have two source where you can get your traffic online. It's either from a paid traffic system or free traffic system. And paid traffic system include the Facebook ads, solo ads, YouTube ads, and the likes. While in the free traffic system, you have email marketing, email broadcasting, you have different type. And that is where I come in, because I have developed a software, a affiliate marketing traffic generating software, which I've been using over the years now. It has been giving me excellent results, that the results you can see on the screen. Yeah, my software works by gathering leads online from digital platform and search engines, and sending your lead, your link or platform, your affiliate marketing platform, to this organic leads online for you to get excellent sales like the one you can see on the screen. And we both know that affiliate marketing is just marketing a particular product for a company and getting a commission for every product you sell. And if you get my video course, I'm going to show you some products which you can get higher percentage on due to the high price which they have, and the kind of location and some techniques which you need to get excellent sales from this kind of product. And with Clickbank, I've earned millions of dollars, and I'm training people online now on how to make money, because I want to create a platform to train affiliate marketers around the world. Yes, I have students around the world who have gotten my software and video course, and they are doing excellently fine. Yeah, so the opportunity is still on for people, for serious minded affiliate marketers who have been struggling to make sales on their affiliate marketing platform. So to get my software and video course today and join the clique of the smart ones that are making edge in affiliate marketing, always contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today and start making big money on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yeah, because my software is not only applicable to Clickbank alone, but you can use my software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform, because they all use similar method to promote products and get sales. So to get my software, remember you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com and join the clique of the smart ones that can make an edge and making big money on affiliate marketing, because it's not about the AdWords, it's about the smart talk. And if you do not learn, you won't earn. Yeah, so learn how to use my software and other techniques which will make you a successful affiliate marketer today. And one of the things that hinder people from earning online is that they delay in their action. So take action today. Action takers are money makers, and they are successful people. you want to be a successful person, you should learn on how to take actions and do what you have to do when you have to do it. Make a while the sun shine. So contact me today on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com, or on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen, to get my short and video course today and start earning really big money. And remember, after I get my video course, I will stick with you till you start earning. Yeah, my video course is self-explanatory, but if you need any of my help, I'm always available for my students. My students know that I will guide you till you start making millions and big money on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So contact me on my Gmail today at skyway271@gmail.com and get my software and video course to join the clique of the smart ones that can make big money on affiliate marketing. Once again, I go by the name Skyway and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.